Okay, you're going to do the foot. Make sure you do his foot, not the cement. Good. Alright, come here. Take the oil can and do the other side. Come on. Come over here. Yeah, do the other side. Right here. Okay. Okay, don't stand right in front of them. Take them over by Mommy. Yeah, and do his foot. You gotta do right here. See? Right there. Good. Yeah. Mhm. Have it right here, Clara. See? Oh. Okay, good job. Let's put it away.